Creality Hyper PLA 3D filament stands out for its glow-in-the-dark effect, which becomes impressively bright after a short charge under sunlight or ultraviolet lamps. The filament maintains very consistent diameter tolerance, so prints come out dimensionally accurate with smooth walls and clean details even on fast machines. It is engineered to resist tangling and clogging, which makes long overnight jobs more reliable and reduces the need to babysit the printer. This material works well across a wide range of nozzle and bed temperatures, so it is easy to dial in on most fused deposition modeling printers that accept 1.75 millimeter filament. The luminous finish is especially fun for seasonal decorations, game pieces, and kids' projects, giving models a striking look in low light without extra paint or coatings. Backed by Creality's experience in colorful filament development, the Hyper PLA line feels refined and consistent from spool to spool for everyday creative printing.